FIFA 2026 is coming, and every soccer fan wants to talk tactics, analyze games, and predict outcomes. But if you're a creator, you know the struggle: copyright strikes, endless editing, and getting buried by the algorithm. What if you could build a high authority soccer channel completely copyright free while you just watch the game? Today, we're deploying an AI soccer analyst. This system uses two free cutting edge AI tools: Claude for tactical insights and Google Flow for cinematic visuals, to generate unique, engaging soccer content. No manual editing, no copyright worries, just pure data driven analysis that fans crave. The 2026 creator economy demands speed and originality. Copy pasting highlights won't cut it. We're going beyond basic commentary to create in depth tactical breakdowns that look like they came from a professional broadcast studio, all while you're cheering for your favorite team. You've been told that creating high quality sports analysis takes a team of experts. I'm going to show you how to do it with two free AI tools. Ready to turn your passion for soccer into passive income? Let's drift. Step 1 is the brain of our operation: Claude. Forget generic match reports. We're using Claude to generate deep, copyright-free tactical analysis. Notice the detail in my prompt. I'm asking for specific tactical aspects, a word count, and even visual ideas. This isn't just summarizing, it's creating a unique narrative. Claude becomes your expert analyst, breaking down complex plays into digestible, engaging content. This script is the backbone of our video, ensuring originality and bypassing any copyright issues from traditional match footage. Once Claude delivers this tactical masterclass, we move to the visual engine. Claude isn't just writing, it's analyzing. It transforms raw match data into compelling narratives, giving your audience insights they won't find anywhere else. This is how you build authority without being a former pro player. Now we bring Claude's tactical brilliance to life with Google Flow. This is where we generate stunning cinematic visuals that illustrate every tactical point, making your analysis look like a high-budget production, all for free. This is Google Flow, our visual powerhouse. Remember those visual ideas Claude gave us? We're feeding them directly into Flow. For example, Claude suggested an animated heat map of midfielder movement. I'm typing that in, and Flow is generating a dynamic visual that perfectly illustrates the point. No need for copyrighted match footage. We're creating original, engaging assets that are 100% safe and unique. Imagine doing this for every tactical point in your script. You're building a visual library that no one else has, all generated by AI while you're enjoying the game. This is how you scale your content without breaking the bank or getting strikes. Google Flow transforms abstract tactical concepts into visually compelling stories. This is how you captivate an audience even without showing a single second of copyrighted match footage. It's pure, unadulterated creative freedom. The final step is leveraging the system for effortless scale. With Claude handling the analysis and Google Flow creating the visuals, you can produce multiple in-depth tactical videos per week. This consistent, high-value output is exactly what the YouTube algorithm loves. Your channel becomes the go-to source for unique soccer insights. You're not just a fan, you're an AI-powered analyst. This builds trust, attracts a dedicated audience, and positions you as an authority in the fastest growing niche in sports content. That is the ultimate drift. The tools are free, the system is live. The only thing missing is you hitting start. If you're ready to stop worrying about copyright and start dominating the soccer analysis game with AI, hit that like button and subscribe. Drop a comment. What's your favorite FIFA 2026 team? I'll be reading every single one. Let's drift.